Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install ERPNext on Windows 10 11. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, search for ERPNext Windows install and open the official ERPNext documentation page. Then download and install VirtualBox and Vagrant on your system. After that, download the ERPNext Vagrant box from the provided link. Then extract the downloaded files to a folder on your computer. Over here, open the command prompt and navigate to that folder. After that, type Vagrant up and press enter to start the installation process. Then wait until the installation is complete. Over here, once it's done, type Vagrant SSH to access the virtual machine. After that, you can start using ERPNext from your browser by visiting http://localhost 8000. So that's basically how you can install ERPNext on Windows 10 11. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.